I had a thought which I wanted to share. When people obtain any type of worldly success, they feel a sense of satisfaction with the efforts they put into achieving that success. For example, a university student will often feel satisfied with the many hours of revision they endured when they obtain their degree. The greater the worldly goal, the greater the satisfaction one feels. Similarly, those who obtain paradise in the hereafter will be satisfied with the efforts they put into obtaining it during their lives on earth. In fact, this feeling of satisfaction is the first thing mentioned when the people of paradise are described in chapter 88 Al-Ghashiyah, verses 8 to 9.
Other faces that day will show pleasure. With their effort, they are satisfied.
Therefore, each Muslim must reflect on how much satisfaction they desire to feel on Judgment Day and work accordingly. If one desires to feel this satisfaction, just like they look forward to feeling worldly satisfaction, they should strive to achieve it through the sincere obedience of Allah, the Exalted, which involves using the blessings one has been granted in ways pleasing to Him, as outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.